Hello children, Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all must be fine and safe. So are you enjoying holidays? Yes, I know you all must be enjoying so much. So let's learn from today. First of all, I welcome you all dear children in standard 1. Myself Neeta Miss and I am going to teach you a very interesting subject. Yes, that is maths. I hope you all must be so much excited to learn. So let's start. First of all, I am going to show you some pictures. Now, see on the screen. What picture you can see, children? What is it? Do you like to play with it? Yes, it is a picture of a ball. But here on the screen, we can see two pictures of balls. Do they look same? No, they are different in size. Yes, we can see a small ball and a big ball. The picture of a ball to your left hand side is small and the picture of a ball to your right hand side is big. Have you seen animals, children? I know you all must be familiar with these animals. Can you name them? Yes. Here in this picture, we can see an ant and an elephant. Can you tell me the difference between these two animals? Do they look same? No, they are different in size. An ant is a small animal and an elephant is a big animal. So here we understand the difference between these two animals. One is big and the other is small. So children, today we are going to learn the concept of small and big. Here on the screen, you can see two pictures. Can you name them? Yes, we can see a small honeybee and a beautiful big peacock. Now, for your understanding, I am going to show you more pictures. What is this, children? Can you tell me? What is this? Do we use it in our house? Yes, it is a picture of a bag and we can see here two bags. They are different in size. Can you now tell me which bag is bigger? Yes, the picture of a bag which is to your right hand side is bigger. And the picture of a bag which is to your left hand side is smaller. So, here on the screen we can see a small bag and a big bag. So, all have to repeat after the teacher. Say, small bag, big bag. See the next picture now. Can you tell me what picture is this? Yes, we all use it in a house. It is a picture of a cup and we can see two cups. Now tell me which is a bigger cup? Yes. Who will tell? Now? Yes. Good. The picture of a cup to your right hand side is bigger, and the picture of a cup to your left hand side is smaller. So here is a small cup and a big cup. I hope children you are understanding the difference between the small and the big. Now let's see the next picture. Do you like to wear ring? Here we can see beautiful pictures of rings. Now tell me the difference between these two rings. Yes, we can see that one is big and another is small. Who will tell which ring is smaller? Yes, the ring to your left hand side is smaller. So, all of you say small ring, big ring. What picture is this, children? Yes, we all know this. It is a picture of a book, and we all should have a good habit of reading books because we get knowledge from it. I hope from today all children will read books regularly. Yes. Now, who will tell which book is bigger? Good. The picture of a book to your right hand side is bigger. So here on the screen we can see a small book and a big book. Now teacher wants to know, now which season is going on? Who will tell? I know everybody know the answer. Yes, summer season. And which fruit do we like to eat in summer season? Yes, mostly we love to eat mangoes. And here on the screen we can see delicious mangoes. So children, are they look same? No. One mango is small and the other mango is big. So here you have to say small mango, big mango. Have you understood the difference? Yes. Now children, tell me what picture is this? When do we use it? Yes, we use it in a rainy season. And now which is a smaller umbrella? Yes, the picture of an umbrella which is to your left hand side is smaller. And the picture of an umbrella which is to your right hand side is bigger. So say small umbrella, big umbrella. Where do we live, children? Of course, we live in a house. Now, here on the screen, we can see two pictures of houses. Can you find out the difference between these two houses? Yes. Do they look same? No. Here we can see a small house and a big house. Now children, here on the screen we can see the pictures of two vehicles. Can you name them? Very good. We can see a bicycle and a truck. vehicle is bigger? Yes, a truck is bigger than a bicycle. Very good, children. Now you all repeat. Small bicycle and big truck. What picture we can see on the screen? Yes, we can see picture of a tree and a plant. Do they look same? No, children. Yes, tree is bigger than a plant and plant is smaller than a tree. So say small plant, big tree. Now we all should eat fruits every day. And here on the screen we can see two fruits. Children, name these fruits. Yes, we can see an apple and a watermelon. Tell me which fruit is smaller? Yes, an apple is a small fruit and a watermelon is a big fruit. So, all will say small apple and a big watermelon. Now, here on the screen we can see two pictures of animals. Now, children, can you name them? Yes, we can see a honeybee and a bird. And which animal is smaller? Yes, it is understood that honeybee is a small animal. So, say small honeybee and a big bird. So, I hope children, you all must have understood the concept of small and big. And now, we will do activities about small and big in the next period. So, thank you so much children. Bye.